Before the video begins, make sure to smash that like button. Can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes, we can. So make sure to smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. It only takes 1 second to subscribe. I would appreciate that too. And turn on post notifications so you don't miss out. But other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. Alrighty everybody, there wraps up the video. Hopefully you all enjoyed. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 30 likes? Yes we can, so make sure to smash that like button. I would greatly appreciate it. And also comment what you thought of drawing. Don't be afraid to comment because I reply back to every single comment. So comment what you thought of drawing. And also share this video with your friends. I would really appreciate that too. Here's Tanjiro from Demon Slayer. Hopefully you all enjoyed this drawing of Tanjiro. I had a lot of fun making it, but it took forever. It took so much time to make this drawing, so hopefully you all enjoyed. This was originally supposed to be a traditional artwork on paper, but I decided to make it into a digital artwork because I usually don't do digital artworks, but in the end I think the outcome came out really good. I'm going to be leaving a list of my drawing playlists in the description, so if you want to check it out, check it out. I'm sure you'll find some anime characters I've drawn before they may really like, so make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description, and I also have a Demon Slayer playlist, so make sure to check that out. But yeah everybody, hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe. Until next time everybody, peace.